barbell wide back squats over a bench. So one of the cool things about this is safety. So we're going to actually sit on the bench with a pause, and it's going to control how long we're going to go. Other safety things you want to think about is having, this is not going to be that important unless you have a long rack, safety bar racks, and a spotter, always. So if you do not know the basics of how to do a barbell back squat, please watch my other video. Get the basics before we go into here. So notice I'm over the bench, so that automatically gives me a wide stance. Automatically, so we want to have wide. I'm going to set up for my barbell back squat. I'm up. I have to step out of the rack. Make sure I have my wide position, wide stance. 3, 2, 1 down. And that was my pause. 3, 2, 1 down. That was my pause. And then I'm going to bring it back. Do full prescribed reps. Enjoy the exercise.